Here's another example for the new common scope. So how to generate this new common scope using the REST API in Java. So just define the imported all, and then we have that define the class. So again, the same thing is going to repeat. Just this is the address for our the REST API one. Okay, PFadmin API as v1 auth server settings scopes common scopes, and you can get all this API list from the admin API docs, right? As maybe I'll just share you this in the description so you can have a look on that. Okay, so let's check this. And yeah, the code will be just the same. There is nothing, no change, just the JSON payload for the common scope users need to pass. So here just give the name, description, and the JSON field for dynamic part, and then send the JSON payload, get the response code from the server, read the response from the input stream, and then just printing that, and then the error handling. So let's jump to the Eclipse, and then just let me put here JSON field for name REST API learning something, and I'll put the testing as a, let's say put let's mention use scope to restrict access for REST API learning. Yeah, you can just put something like that, and then yeah, dynamic field I'm just putting as a false here. Let's run this. Okay, so we have the 201, and here we have the response, right? So now let's jump to the PingFederate, go to the scope section, auth scopes, and let's see, is there any common scope created? So I see, yeah, we have the REST API learning, right? This is the scope I created through the REST API. If I go to the REST API learning, and here with the description. So the PingFed we see there, right? REST API learning is the common scope, and here we have the description. Okay, so this is the way you can just use get, post, and just automate your things rather than just going to the console manually. I hope you understand these all API things. Just do the practice. See if you face any problem in the JSON or maybe anywhere, just let me know. But yeah, just do some practice and use any other language also. It's not mandatory to use Java. You can use Python or any other, and just try those. Okay, and if you have any questions, please put in the comment section, and let's jump to let's jump to the next topic. That is again an interesting one to have an understanding how we can just let me just give you some hint for that. So in the PingFederate right now, you see, if I just access some application, let's say that I have the application as a Salesforce. So if I application this Salesforce, I can see PingFed is going to give me a HTML form login page, right? Yeah, this login which PingFed is giving me, and this is coming by default from HTML form adapter. So we can able to customize this page also. Maybe I will not just go in a very what I can say maybe just putting many other things here. Just as a basic, I'll give you an idea how you can change this name, this part, kind of color, and then yeah, maybe if you want really to just do some experiment on that, then you can just, yeah, you will get some idea, and then you can just see how you can make these things, how you can make this interface more better and better, right? But yeah, I'll just give you a good idea how you can just change this this user interface for this login page. Okay, so let's jump to the next section, and if you have any questions, please put in the comment section. Yeah, thank you.